Let's start with the basic of computer. A computer is the device that takes instruction and data. It performs arithmetic and logical operations and produces an output. It was developed by Charles Babbage. The components of computer are keyboard and mouse, processor, monitor, and storage device. Storage device can be classified into two types: primary storage device and secondary storage device. Primary storage device include hard drives and secondary storage device include RAM. Keyboard and mouse provide input to the computer which is stored, and then the processor takes the input and gives it to the monitor. Now what is programming? When you have a problem, you first analyze the problem, then you design and prepare solution for it, then you test the solution, and finally you document it. Here step number 2, designing the solution, is the program. The computer understands only binary language, that is the language of zeros and ones. Program is first converted into binary format. This process is called as compilation. There are a lot of tools available for compilation. First, compiler. Compiler detects all errors. It translates the whole program. Second is the interpreter. It translates the program one by one, that is line by line, and detects error in the current line. The third is the assembler, which is used for assembly language program. The types of programming languages. There are three main types of programming languages: machine language, assembly language, and a high-level language. The machine language is the binary language, that is ones and zeros. Assembly language includes meaningful words such as add, subtract, and move. High-level language is more English-like. Machine language is difficult to write. Assembly language is easier compared to machine language but harder compared to high-level language. And high-level language is very easy to understand. Now the assembly language is machine dependent. High-level language is machine independent, and the machine language in a way is machine dependent. Now the assembly language and the high-level language are converted to binary language, that is the machine language, so that it can be run. Now what is algorithm? Algorithm is the step-by-step process of solving a problem. So for example, if you want to find which number is the greater, first we take the input of two numbers, say A and B. Then we compare the two numbers. If A is greater than B, then we will output A, else we will output B. Now the characteristics of algorithm. First, it should provide an input. Second, it should give an output. Third, it should be finite, that is it should stop. And fourth, it should be definite and effective, that is it should make some meaning. Now what is a flowchart? A flowchart is a diagrammatic representation of algorithm that shows the flow of the process. Flowchart are oval for stop, parallelogram for input, rectangle for process, diamond for decision, a rectangle within rectangle for a predefined process, arrows for showing flow, and dot for connecting. Now what are the advantages of flowchart and algorithm? They are programming language independent. Second, it is easy to understand and implement.